Right now, 99% of cable and satellite TV customers rent set-top boxes from their providers. The first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth, that the United States would create DARPA, NASA, and the National Defense Education Act, which helped improve math and science education from grade school to graduate school. In fact, the national medal itself was established just after the Soviet launch of Sputnik, the first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth. The United States went about winning the space race by investing in science and technology, leading not only to small steps on the moon, but also to tremendous economic benefits here on Earth. We had an exhibit of some of the projects that you guys are doing, and the first high school student satellite, a wheelchair controlled by brain waves, robots. Instead, the Iranian government jammed satellite signals to shut down television and radio broadcasts.
With regard to North Korea, between myself and President Obama earlier, with regard to the so-called launch of satellite, the missile launch, we shared the view that it undermined the efforts of the various countries concerned to achieve resolution through dialogue.
Now they analyze satellite and aerial imagery and get housing assistance to areas that need it most more quickly. I can find the fiercest libertarian in the room with, who despises every level of government, thinks it's all corrupt, but they're checking the weather on their phone, and lo and behold, it turns out that there's a government satellite out there that's is.
So just think, if they can set up wireless networks in Baghdad or do satellite reconnaissance in the mountains of Afghanistan, I'm pretty confident that they can handle whatever's happening in Silicon Valley, right? But seriously, the bottom line here is simple.